Nonprofit government watchdog group called OpenTheBooks.com is taking a closer look at Metro spending. Now, since 2020, they say MNPS has collected roughly more than $425 million in COVID aid from the federal government. These are elementary and secondary school emergency relief, or ESSER funds, as we commonly refer to them. For more on spending, though, we do have someone speaking with us.
Yeah, we've got the deputy director of OpenTheBooks.com, Rachel O'Brien, joining us now. Rachel, I know y'all have been doing your research. We've also been looking into how Metro Nashville Public Schools spent that ESSER money. In your most latest round of research, what's the most surprising line item that you found?
Right. So as you mentioned, $425 million. Those came from three separate ESSER grants to the school district. The funds break down to about $5,400 per student, and that's $1,800 more than the statewide average. For the rest of the 147 school districts in Tennessee, they're getting about $3,600 per pupil. What we noticed in the spending is that while a lot of the districts will say, we can't spend this money on hiring staff because it's a one-time infusion of funds, we won't have this money in 2 years, so you don't see a lot of hiring. But we did see a combined $30 million spent on nurses, health counselors, and social workers. So those are actual people who were hired. We also did see $2.8 million spent on teachers and administrators, another $750,000 on substitute and innovative short-term staff, and $6 million for practice assistants. So that's a lot of money that is being spent on hiring people.
Yeah. We also noticed that when we were looking at your breakdown, a lot of money that went toward bonuses for different employees.
Yeah, so they got an $8.7 million COVID-19 bonus for staff. And Terry Randolph, who's the executive officer of strategic investments, she talks about how the district is spending these ESSER funds. And she noted that, Metro Nashville Public School staff were hardworking and they got this COVID-19 bonus. But she also noticed that they are the best paid in the state. Employees recently got step increases. They got cost of living increases for administrative staff. Some instructional support staff got 7 additional paid days off. So they got that $8.7 million COVID bonus on top.
Okay, Rachel O'Brien with OpenTheBooks.com. Want to thank you so much, I should say, for joining us this Friday morning.